Hello, welcome to shot number 2. This one is titled Nothing But Burps, and that's all it is. It's not from any of the episodes I've done. I have been lately recording myself for about an hour a day while I work on crafts, while I'm watching TV, doing a puzzle, just whatever. I may even be wandering around my room working on things. So there are several, you will see me. I am off camera, but you can still hear me. A couple of them, I think I'm in the hallway. I'm not sure, but they're just as loud. So I hope this tides everybody over, and for at least the next 13 episodes, because I was just wanting to do it once every 16 episodes. I'd do a bunch of belches that would come from the episodes. These are special. They are just for me being me. Okay, I've done nothing to encourage more burps or anything. I just have my camera going more. So I hope you enjoy. 3.5 minutes. At least it's not one burp. Oh, my family's so proud. That was weird. Whoa. That was weak. That was very weak. Oh. Oh. It's like there's a frog stuck in my throat or something. enjoyed. And I have another craft coming up that will be posted on Saturday around noon. So this is what I made for my last craft. And my son actually had to help me, so yeah, but there were a few things I got ahead of myself. I put the license plate on upside down, and this actually goes on the front, and I need to email them about my side mirrors. There's holes for them, but I have no side mirrors. I should. So anyways, that'll be interesting because my son and I do banter back and forth. He's not on camera, but you can hear him, so that'll be fun. You guys have a good week. I will see you in a few days, and remember to like, subscribe, share. I'm only, it's a little one, it's just a little blitz, nothing big. All right, until next time, bye.